Welcome back. News coming in from the national capital now, where the Supreme Court has sought a reply of the centre and of the Delhi government on shifting Conman Sukesh Chandrasekhar from Mandoli jail to any other prison in the country. Remember, Sukesh Chandrasekhar was transferred from Tihar to Mandoli jail just a few weeks ago. This after Sukesh Chandrasekhar, in his letters to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, had claimed that he was being threatened and intimidated inside the jail. He had accused the Delhi government and Satyendra Jain of intimidation and pressure tactics, which is why he had sought transfer to another jail. Ananya, my colleague, now joins me for more on this. Ananya, he was already shifted from Tihar to Mandoli, or at least that order was passed. But now it seems that there is a demand for him to be shifted out of Delhi altogether, and the Supreme Court is now seeking a response on that.
Well, definitely. In fact, the Tihar jail and the Mandoli jail fall in the same clear complex and is managed by the same authorities, and that's the reason why, in fact, Sukesh Chandrasekhar would have knocked the doors of the Supreme Court. We have seen in the last few weeks how Sukesh's letters have created a bit of a sensation, and then that video of Satyendra Jain coming out hints to something of the similar nature. So what we have at this moment of time is that Sukesh Chandrasekhar constantly saying that he's having a threat perception, he's having a threat to life inside the jail premises, and now, in fact, he has moved a petition before the Supreme Court of India. Arguments took place. In fact, the council told the court that Delhi LG has directed for prosecution of 82 staff of the, in fact, Tihar jail based on my statement to ED and EOW. 114 officials have been prosecuted. Please shift me to any other jail other than Delhi. They are now against me. Extortion amount rupees 12.5 crore was paid, and his this was duly acknowledged, mentioned Satyendra Jain issue as well. So all of this is being mentioned, was mentioned before the Supreme Court of India. Now the court has sought a response from the central government, in fact, over whether to shift him or not, and we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out and what would be the response filed by the respondents and how the things would take up. But then this is something very serious happening in this particular case, because Sukesh's letters were actually having, though we always say that Sukesh cannot be believed on the face value of it because of him being a conman, him being impersonated the law and the Home Secretary of the country. So, but at this moment of time, the Supreme Court is taking clear cognizance of all of these facts, and now has issued notices and sought response. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what is said in the response and whether he'll be shifted outside the national capital or not, because now we have now see the Delhi LG is also involved. He had, in fact, issued orders for prosecution of 82 jail officials. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how things pan out in this. But then definitely a strong move coming in from Sukesh's legal team. Poonam.
Absolutely. Do keep a track of when that reply is filed and what comes out of it. For the moment, Ananya, thank you so much.